and show you. Go ahead and this is a 30-year-old mower, by the way. It's a 14 horse Kohler, but we're going to clean the dust out of the engine. Yeah, when cutting real dusty grass, the dust gets picked up into the screen, and then up here at the front, the exhaust and stuff blows out, and this thing here was just caked with dust and grass and stuff. So I figure it was up in the engine too. So I figure that rinsed it out pretty good. We'll let it sit out here in the sun and dry off for a little while, and I go ahead and put the side panels back on him and grease him up and put him away till next time. Thanks for watching.